Hi, good afternoon.
Just one second. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I'd like to invite the speaker, Mr. Joice P. Mathew, who will talk about smart village agri hub transforming rural agriculture. I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you for giving this opportunity to present Radtar Innovations Private Limited products, which is like we are a technology company working on an agriculture transformation projects. Basically, we are from Kerala, so we focusing on the Kerala market in the first. So we working on a village hub model. It's a digital model. It's a physical and digital combination models. Indian to transform the traditional farming to a modern farm technologies. So that's what we basically does. We are addressing few of the challenges in the market challenges. So one of the major challenges in especially for the Kerala here is limited access on a technology is very poor. The farmers are actually not able to get a chance of utilizing the technology because the farmers are very small. The small farmers, smallholder farmers, technology affordability is very small, so they are not able to basically to hire or buy some expensive technology for the farmers. Okay, but at the same time, they also face the same challenges what all the bigger farmers usually happens. So they also wanted to get a better income for their land holdings. They wanted to reduce the waste of production. I mean excess the unwanted for this one. Okay, they wanted to get it actually a quality soil management. They want to get a pesticide.
Hello. Mr. Joyce, are you there? Hello.
They are not hearing me.
No, just like last 1 minute, I could not hear you.
Sorry. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I continue from here or?
Just you can start from once again about your company from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good afternoon. My name is Joice Mathew. I'm founder and CEO of Radtar Innovations Private Limited. We are into the technology-based agriculture. That means we are not only in technology. We are actually combining the technology along with the physical, supporting systems for the farmers. So basically, it's like digital model, combining technology and physical support system for farmers. In basically, we are supporting in Kerala, and we will be planning to expand to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, other states. Okay, this is what we basically. So we addressing few of the challenges for the farmers. One of the major challenges in when it comes to the Kerala farmers is like small holding. The land capacity is very small. Average land holders of our this one is zero point 0.4 to zero point 0.5 hectares. So when it comes to small farm holders, technology adoption is actually quite expensive for them. So it's not profitable for them. So the people, most of the youths or youngsters are actually going out of the agriculture. So the most of the so because of the youths is going out of the agriculture, agriculture land is getting a lot of unutilized lands are there. So not having a proper management or not productive proper productive system for farming. So that's the challenges areas we are addressing basically. So what we provide as a farmer, we building on an ecosystem which is a physical, it's a physical and digital ecosystem, providing end-to-end service for the farmers even even from the soil management onwards, fertilizer management, pest disease management, everything will be provided to the farmers in a demand basis. So it's like a farming as a service. So the farmer will be used only for what they paying only for what they use. Okay, and this is very affordable cost. So the farmer can actually be using a modern technology, and the other technology. I mean, other they will be supported with a local partner, which is like our village hubs. The village hub will be providing the end support or end user support, which is like the last mile support for the farmers to manage and executing all those supports. So most of the cases when it comes to the aged farmers or the NRI landholders, this system will be very much of useful for them. It's very much of blessing for them to supporting their existing land, which can be utilized efficiently, which can be managed properly, and they can be profitable to monitor and manage. So the technology what we use here, we are combining with AI and machine learning technologies, artificial intelligence and machine learnings, and we have integrated with the IoT services like soil management, soil monitoring, precision agriculture tools, and all smart farming tools are all we are integrated. And we are developed with on a traceability. On a GPS based traceability currently available, the blockchain will be coming on a soon with our application. So from the soil to the market, complete traceability is there. And each and every stakeholders who has been partnering with Radtar, which is like a smart village hubs have a complete control on their village, farmers and the services what is they're offering, and how the performance will be going on in the farmers, the productivity, everything can be monitored through their on their dashboards, and through the application they can manage it. Even the farmer can manage from anywhere in the world. So the product market fit of this one, it's a huge opportunity. If you talk about in Kerala, we have more than approximately up to 5 million to 6 million people outside India. Sorry, outside Kerala. So they were all having land. One of at least 50 or 60% people have land holdings in our land. So this is all the biggest challenges. So we are addressing those things. We supporting them using. We will be enhancing, or we are empowering the farm producer companies, NGOs, and all the other organizations. So we are collaborating with them. We are collaborating with the colleges, universities, to provide a better services for them. So, and the subscription costs are very cheap. We are charging. So for 499, which is less than 500 rupees per year, they will get a 1 year subscription cost for managing this. For managing this technology platform, which means they are using the platform, not managing, using the platform. And addition to this, they will be having a some of the technologies like drone technology, drone service providers, or the robotic service providers, those satellite service providers, all it can be accessed through our application, which paying an additional cost for that. So it's which has so much of this one. So we have currently more than 1,000 plus farmers active users will be having, more than 10 plus. This is a little old slide. We have more than 10 plus organization is onboarded. So we keep on expanding now. We are keep on expanding. Recently, we have conducted actually internship in 3 colleges, which is almost 55 students has been completed their internships recently last 2 months time from Radtar. So what we help them to achieve, we are trying to educating the youths for technology intervention, because the farmers who has been there in Kerala, most of them are it's like aged one. They are all retired hands mostly. So they are for them to talking about technology a little quite difficult. So that's what we putting youths into the in that gaps area, helping them to supporting farmers on site and off site. So the college also will take some good part of the good part of the role in this one. So we starting Agri innovation hubs in the colleges, where the colleges will become they will be just managing this all students. So in future it can be become a farm schools or farm in excellence centers, or it can be even the food industry even can be started from the colleges. So this is what our vision. So we have a few competitors. We have not actually competitors are not actually there in Kerala mostly, because it's a small holding farmers are more majorly here. So the not much competitors are here. So, but in other states we have competitors. When it comes to this plan, we have a very clear plan for developing this ecosystems. This one. So I'll be running another one presentation for with detailing about our applications in this one. So business models. So we have a different models. Business models are there. So it's a hybrid model and this one. So partners who can actually join with us, they can continuously benefiting every month. They will get actually on income. So we support farmer producer companies to make it at least 2 to 5 crore rupees of per year revenue, just for the supporting systems that they do. So we can say it's like in integrated back end solution, like input services they can provide to the farmers. So this one, only through this one they can actually make it some good amount of turnover. So this all will help them. Okay, so we supposed to supporting sustainable development goals around 12 goals we are actually been supporting, maybe much more than 12 goals, but just to identifying this 12 goals. So we support this SDG goals, and we are having and recognized some entities by ICARs and
Mr. Joyce, I lost your voice again. Hello? Mr. Joyce, I can't hear you.
from the till the management we can able to hear.
Yes, now. Yes, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So where did you, madam, last I stop it?
Yeah. From advisory team or before that you can start.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeah. Shall I?
Yes, please.
We have a very good, strong management team. I personally been having more than 20 plus years of 25 plus years of experience in this technology and agriculture sectors, and we have very good advisory systems. All who are supporting us is actually one of the best in the industries. We have different expertise systems. So application is been available in both Google Play and App Store, free to download. So you can download these applications free of the charge. You can download it and you can experience it, this one. And for just to for the certain features are actually locked, which is we can unlock it with paying 499 rupees per year plus GST. Okay, so this is what application all about. So when I talk about the features of applications, so application is actually supporting farmers, helping the farmers income. So they helps to increase the farmers income in every aspects. Okay, and then it will be transforming your farm to be a digital platform, so you can manage from anywhere in the world. Okay, direct market linkages. Whatever you produce, you can sell it in advance or in after in properly to the even through the auctions and in market directly to the buyers directly. B2B and B2C options are there. Then we have a AI powered advisory systems, which is AI chatbots and AI advisory systems based on your understanding your parameters. So it's not just only like a any generative AI chatbot. It has the system will be capturing your field data using the different technologies like IoTs, the satellite technologies and other manual data and all those things. Based on that, you will get a almost a clear kind of a guidance. Okay, so suggestions, what it happens. So this particular month, what we'll be doing, those kind of suggestions will be coming for you. So the Radtar Green home screen itself is gives you
Mr. Matthew, again, I lost your voice again.
this is a slide which I am starting about the company, the
Yeah,
application. I'll start from here.
yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Please proceed.
Yeah. So application. So let me just give you a brief about our application. What features are actually give you, and all this application. The technology platform is focusing on to improving the farmers' income, and it gives you a digital market, digital farm management system, which is like it will be digitally mapping your farms and gives you a full management on your fingertips. And at the same time, you will all the crops what you are growing in your farms can be sell it in advance, and even the locally or internationally, there is a marketplace is being connected with this one. And then there is an AI powered advisory systems, which is all supported by the for the farmers to understand what is the crop growing, what is the patterns are going. So even when it comes to the the screens, the home screen, so we have a live weather jet, whether you can actually see where which location you are and what is the current weather patterns and all those one, and which is connected with your local hubs. The ANH is the local hub you can connect it, and the hub can be managed all the access. I mean all the farm activities what you're supposed to do. There is a two type of marketplace, which is one for input market, which is farmer can buy all the input like fertilizers, fungicides, which is basically the consultancy services and all those things. And then there is an harvest planner. Harvest planner is something which you can actually plan it in advance, which is you are supposed to going. And there is a QR scan. There is a button there, so which is a traceability. So they can you can if you create your when you're packing your products, okay, you bundle it and make a QR code, so any buyer who has been buying this one and scan it this one, they will see which farmer in which days is been started and all. So this is all technology. So we have developed. So we have so much of technology we have developed. So we have sell products, request products. So you can even request the products to, certain products you wanted to buy it in this one where where.
Mr. Matthew, again, we lost your voice.
Yeah, so this services all this is Agri is an AI-based pest disease management tool where it can take a picture and you can detect what is the solution for those particular problems, and the community will help you to build your own community, local communities, or even farmer groups, even inside or outside in India. So many features. Even in the surveys, you can run a farmer what is organization can be run the so digital farm management, which you can actually have it a complete your farm management is there in your fingertips. So if you are a farmer who's been tagged with our applications, and if you target, this one, which is all available free of the charge, you can actually use this features without any charges. Okay, so this one, what it helps actually give you more services. You can manage your field activities, everything from anywhere in the world. So you can have a proper farm expenditure to be managed here. The current farm calendar will give you all guidance of your crops, what is growing and what particular activities you're supposed to do on this month's certain days and all those things, and the traceability and documents you can save it on those things. These are all support systems will help you. AgriMart will help you to actually buy your input products. See, we are not selling chemical products. We are selling the micronutrient and organic fertilizers and other products for the farmers. So where it actually you can actually use energizing your soil, so it's a nutrition balancing. You can do the soiling and all those kind of things. We can do even consultancy services, ISO supports, everything we will actually provide. So the Radtar store actually help you to the farmers or as well as the production unit, small production unit, to sell their products. And this is a free opportunity for them to get an additional opportunity. They get an actually to market these products instead of like Amazon's or other platform. So here they can geo-tag and listing these products. They will get actually the additional marketplace for them. And there is a diaspora. Diaspora is actually a NRIs mostly outside in India. Okay, there is a supporting system for them to develop. This is what I saw. One of the focus customers are NRIs. NRI who's been staying in outside. They want a supporting system for them, supporting their land and developing the land profitably. Even the property management and rest all other services we provide through them, our partners, so they can use these platforms. And then when it comes to the our profiling, which is like all the controls, you will have it. Okay, and the referral code, you can use it actually to send it to your friends and relatives, where you can get actually additional referral friend income, so referral friend points, and then it's like a loyalty incomes you will be creating on this one. So the end of this, so each and every stakeholders will benefit through this application, so technology platform. So whether you are a farmer, whether you are a agri hub, which is like our village hub, or farm producer companies. Again, there are also are extended village hubs, actually, diaspora community, government and regulations, and buyers and institutions. Everyone actually has a benefit of it. Particularly, there will be like an individually there is all benefit for them, and they can benefit it, and they can use these applications for their services. So on the nutshell, so like which help you to increase the farmers' income around 50 to 40%. Oh, and then you can reduce the cost of inputs around 15 to 25%. Farmer producer companies are actually can manage completely the farmer ecosystems. They can use the technology platform to manage and supporting farmers, and they can increase their income total revenue. We help them to helping to increase their revenue up to 2 to 5 crore rupees of per year. Okay, and real-time data and details. So the global marketplace and all this 24 into 7 supports. So this is all our application. Basically, Radtar Green's application available in Android and iOS. You can freely download this application and you can experience this one. And if you have any question about this one, agriculture technologies, especially for the Radtar technology, you free to ask. We welcome our farmer producer companies, NGOs, who has been working interested to work on a village hub activities. It's like entrepreneurs who wanted to start on a village hub. So we are ready to support them with a very small investment with a very good margin, and which can be making more income for your based on your efforts. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. This committee has been located from and Pathanamthitta, Rani, which is one of the village town. Yeah, thank you very much for this. Hello,
Okay.
madam, can you hear me?
Joice,
Yeah, madam.
presentation.
Range is not connecting.
Can you
Hello,
hear
hello.
me? Okay, right.
Hello, madam.
Okay, so
Your range is very bad. I can't hear you. Madam, I don't know whether it's my
yes,
problem or
yes,
it's
I
your
can.
problem. I
Are,
can't hear you.
are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, okay, right. So thank you for the presentation. Now I'll take up some questions. Okay. So how does Smart Village Agri Hub model help small and marginal farmers improve profitability?
Yeah. Small and marginal farmers also having the similar challenges what the bigger farmers face. Okay, like the pest disease or the soil nutrition balancing. So usually, small farmers who wanted to use this kind of technologies, or they wanted to basically what they do, they don't even basically usually do this kind of testing or anything. So we have done a survey recently with some of the farmers, more than 1,000 farmers in this particular area, like our Kottayam and Pathanamthitta districts. So where we identified that more than 98% of farmer is not even testing soils on their last so many years. So they don't know how to they don't know even the soil testing can be help them to improve their crops income and profitability and all this. So we have this technologies, like it's a small technologies with very cheap, very cost effective technologies. We help the farmers to immediately test soils, whether it can be a satellite based or it can be a IoT based sensors. We have this very cheaper solutions, so they can use the technologies very affordable cost, and the same time they can improve the production quality and quantity as well as the profitability. Madam, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah.
I answer for the question.
Yeah. What technologies are being integrated into the Agri Hub to support precision farming and climate resilient agriculture?
So we are using AI advisory systems. We are developing our own AI platform where that we collect the data from farms. Okay, we have soil data. We'll be having a weather data. We'll be having a pest disease data. All those data is evaluating our systems, and it will gives you a very intelligent advisory to the farmers. On us, it's like a specific to each and every farmers. So it's like a custom made advisory system for farmers who can actually get a climate resilient advisories and all those they will get it, and as well as they can actually connect with the insurance companies or whoever has been supporting the system is available, like those institutions will be linked with our applications. So currently we are not actually started offering those insurance services, but it will be soon. Another 6 months time, this services will be, not only the services, there are multiple services will be offered through this platform there. The farmers actually can use it on this. So the technology, when you ask me about technology, we are using all the modern technologies, AI, MLs, Internet of Things, IoT services. We use actually drone technologies, robotic technologies, multiple technology we use, even blockchain technologies. We all use the maximum technologies to to provide you a right value proposition to the farmers.
Okay. Next question is, how can farmer produce organizations and rural youth participate in the Smart Village Agri Hub ecosystem?
Yeah. Very good question. Thank you very much. So the rural agriculture will only be sustained with the support of efficient and forward-thinking farmer producer companies, and then of course there will be a support of youths. Because the farmer producer companies is one of the, they are the backbones of our villages now. Okay, going forward, that's a vision of our state in Indian government. Okay, so the government is actually focusing on to supporting farmer producer companies on a village level to supporting the farmer clusters. So when it comes to farmer clusters, most of the farmers are actually aged farmers. That's what I already mentioned, or the farmers are actually outside, not presenting, not available on the ground. They may be sit. I mean, because of their job purpose, they may be staying in the on the cities, or they may be staying in other states. They may be staying in other countries. So those lands are actually been ideal here most of the cases. Especially this is very huge in Kerala. So what the youths will be doing here? So there will be like a supporting center for them. So what we started here is called something called a FPO, Youth Farmer Friend Initiative. So Youth Farmer Friend Initiative is been doing by National FPO Federation, which is one of our organization. It's a non-profit organization, along with Radtar, what we support. So we are actually providing the youths to give you this opportunity. We teach them how to operate the technology, how to inspect those kind of this kind of all these challenges what they are supposed to do. It the farmer is facing. So they are the one who are giving you a final, basically the analyzing and giving you the result for the this one. So we train them. We train them with all the support systems, and we have our application can be give them an extended service advisory system for them. So this all will be helping them. So similar like any other village digital agriculture, digital village hubs running in initiatives like in Kerala, there is an Akshaya Center which is supporting.
Mr. Mathew, I can't hear you.
Where do we
Yeah.
stop? Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah,
So, yeah. So, thank you very much for asking those questions. So, village hub, so supporting system is actually mainly farmer producer companies as well as the youths. The farmer producer companies are actually one of the best initiatives by the government to supporting farmers, aggregating farmers, they are developing clusters in villages, and supporting the farmers to increase their income. But however, the main challenges when it comes to this farmer producer companies, aged farmers are actually majorly in the market is called aged farmers. So farmers is they have a lot of challenges with operating this digital technologies. So they are barely use like smartphones just for WhatsApp or Facebook usage, but they don't know how to use the other technologies much largely or effectively and efficiently. So here is the youths can be play a bigger role because youths are very efficient to manage the technology. So they can actually provide a extended hand for the farmers, and this is what we do. We helping them to to educating this farmers and supporting farmers in the local field and where the farmer producer company can be used these people. So the youths we are training in the colleges, they are actually providing services to the farmers. Giving an example, the youth will be having a soil tester, soil analyzer, where they will be going to the farmer sites and they analyze it and immediately give you advisory through our applications. So they will get actually an immediate instead of going to the lab and waiting for another 2 3 months for getting a soil samples, they will get immediately. So the students get some income, institution get some income, the application gets an income. So it's a shared income model and it's very cost effective. The youths are actually more interested to come to the farming field because of the getting an incentives. So this is what we do basically. Hello.
yeah. Okay. And next question is, what are the major challenges faced while implementing smart agriculture solutions in rural villages?
Yeah, very good. So the major challenges we are facing is the technology awareness of our farmers. So most of the farmers, as I previously mentioned, they are aged people. They are more than 60 years. So their technology, the digital awareness is very less. So digital awareness is less because they don't use much, technology we talk about. So they don't know how to use IoT. They don't know how to use, precision agriculture. So we have to make them. It's very convenient for them. So that's what we use more technology to be transferred in more efficiently through our smart village system where the youths and the village hub owners who's been trained one the trained institutions trained personalities and the trained support system will provide an efficient support system for the farmers. So this is what only the one we can actually provide. So major challenge is the technology gaps, and second one is that people farmers most of the farmers are not actually farming for profitable, or it's like a it's not on their major income. So they all feel like agriculture is just like a for a what do you call them, so they are not actually considering agriculture can be sustained their life just only full of this one. So this is what one of the major phase. So there it's like a part-time income for them. So they are not actually seriously investing on an agriculture system. So that's what when I offer a technology integrations and all those things, it's very tough for them to accept it. I'm not saying 100% farmers. It's like 30% per farmers having this.
Okay. Mr. Joyce, you can stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will take up next question. Can the Agri-Hub model help farmers access better markets and reduce dependency on middlemen?
Yes, definitely. Because Agri Hub models, the smart Agri Hub models, actually works with the farmers very closely, and in advance they will know what are how much is the crops is coming, what are the crops is been harvesting, what when it will be harvesting. In advance, they will able to see all this. Proactively, we will able to see how what kind of crop is coming, what kind of quality is being produced, what are the pesticides or fungicides they were used in the farms, all those things will be available on the systems. So if you use properly the digital system, so the quality and the quantity can be predefined, and based on those things, based on the market demand, we can harvest it and we can put it in the market. So the farmer can increase the price profitability, and they can avoid the middleman. See, today the market, one of the bigger challenges when it comes to the market, so the production units, basically these people have a more negotiation power. The middleman who's been buying, coming and buying, they have a more negotiation power. Whereas in our systems, where the farmer can actually get a more negotiation power, because the farmer is negotiating with the buyer before its harvest. Okay, that's what we can actually help you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next question. One second. Okay. Can AgriHub model help farmers access better markets and reduce? Sorry. How does your platform support value addition and processing for fruits, medicinal plants, or local crops?
Yeah. So definitely Radtar works. Our focus is to work on a medicinal plants and as well as the fruits, tropical fruits. So these are the areas we are actually focusing on. So as you know, like Kerala has been one of Kerala for all generations. It's one of the best Ayurvedic heritage we have it. But so many of medicinal plants is there in our land. But unfortunately, those crops are not aggregated properly, in the sense like if you wanted to buy a a tulasi for a certain quantity from Kerala, we have which we have a very good quality here. Okay, so you don't get it actually. So we need to have an aggregation system properly. So the aggregation system has to be managed by local hubs. The village hub will be efficiently to aggregate each and every farmers what are the resources available, and then it can be correctly connected with the buyers. So buyers, which can be the local buyers or integrated international buyers, depends on their demands and the price. So the village hubs can be negotiated the price better way to the buyers, and they can produce. So with the support of technology and Radtar Hub, Village Hub, efficiently we can produce the crops, any crops like fruits or medicinal plants efficiently in clusters, and then to connect right market to be right market in efficient ways. So that's one of the beauty, one of the best things we can actually do it, where the farmer will help get more income. Whoever has been involved, value addition can get a better income. All those stakeholders will actually benefit on this one. Okay, value addition always required a certain quality of products in a regular supply basis, which also one of the challenges today here in value addition units are actually facing. So as you know, maybe in the production units running here in Kerala mostly, okay, they all work on a seasonal basis. So they don't know which other seasonal basis it's available and when it has been available. Off-season times are very difficult for them. So those things kind of challenges we can address it with a proper management and proper backward integrations. Yeah.
Okay. And what role does what role does AI and digital advisory play in agricultural solutions like agro agrotruck?
Yeah. See, Agropter is basically an input supply marketplace. Basically, the farmer can actually buy some certain products like soil energizers and micronutrient. So these products are not commonly available in what you call so-called fertilizer shops in the markets. Even if it is available, you don't know which one is cheaper, which is best products to use, and all those things. So what the advisory system works. So when you do when you take a photo, so this is a computer imaging system, the technology they use to identify what is the problem it's that particular plant or its particular leaf, and based on those things, there is an AI advisory system will give you a suggestion. So this is because of this particular issue, because of fungal issue, or it's a pest issues, or it's like a deficiency of this micronutrient and this particular this one. So based on those things, it will give you suggestions also. So which one available in which our I mean agro market. So sorry, it's agri market. So then it will give you suggestions where to buy it and what is the price and all. You will also always have a one of the best options from our AgriMart marketplace, where you will get actually a one of the best products solutions to compensate or to solve your challenges. So that's what we. So the advisory along with the AI technology and proper, there will be like a chatbot kind of an opportunity, so that you can just chat it and see what are the products available. So the products you don't need to you know hello,
Yes, please proceed.
you don't need actually to go around your marketplace to buy it. So you will get it everything from the AgriMart marketplace.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how can villagers with limited internet connectivity adopt small farming technology effectively?
Limited internet connectivity, we can have it a different technology. So we have an offline models where the farm data will be collected in locally. When wherever that there would be a network will be connected, it will be synced with our servers. So anyway, this the data has to be synced. Okay, okay. If you have a low network also, not a problem. But if there is no network, then there is a challenge. If a low network, of course, there is a challenge. A solution we can actually there is a method of syncing we can be possible. But if it is no data, then the offline system can be worked, and then it will be moved to the office or any data located place. Then it will be synced with the server. So this is a model we have to work it. See, of today network will be more efficient. So most of the field is being covered by mm, our what do you call it, GPS networks. Most of the cases. So the farms are most of the areas are actually covered with the um, our telephone networks are actually available. Internet facilities are available. So that's one of the bigger advantage we are facing now. The market is ready now to adopt digital technologies now in agriculture.
Okay. And are there opportunities for agri student and entrepreneurs to collaborate with your organization?
Yes, definitely, because this what I told you. Like we are supporting existing service providers who has been, whether it has been a input supplier, or whether if you are a consultant who has been providing services to farmers, or if you are a farmer producer company who already having a network of certain number of farmers, or if you are an NGO who has been supporting the farmer community to well-being of their farmers life. So we have all opportunity to work together. Okay, so we basically help you to empower or maximize your effort and simplify your operational things. This all will help you. So Radtar team will closely work with you, the management of existing ecosystems, and we will be see like what kind of technology or integration can be possible to improve their life and their income, and of course are their customers satisfactions. So this all will be closely working with them and improving their services.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's two more questions.
Yeah.
What successful case studies or pilot projects from Kerala can be replicated in other Indian states?
We have see success stories. We have few. We have few success stories are there, but it is all in the beginning stages, early stages. But like the other success stories, like Sahyadri Farms, if you talk about Nasik, they have one of the bigger success stories with support of digital technologies. They are actually increased their farmers' income, and of course, they are actually grown very big. Okay, similar to this, we have also there is an entrepreneur who's been into the production units. They from zero to they achieved almost like monthly 5 lakhs above incomes. Those things are there. There are so the farmers who've been making more than regular farmers in Kerala with rubber and all other crops less than 50,000 they make it per year. Whereas if you there are so many farmers who with all the fruits and other crops they're making more than 5 lakhs per year. So which is a 10 times higher price. So if you do an integrated farms with including tourism and other things, so which can be a very good sustainable model for farmers, very good sustainable model for farmers. They can actually get a regular income and very profitable agriculture for them.
Okay. So, one last question. Please let us know little about your career background and what made you to start your company, Radtar.
Okay. Yeah, personally, I completed my electronics and communication. Then I moved to Middle East. I was been in the Middle East for almost 20 years. I mean, 16 years I was in Abu Dhabi. Before that, I was in another place. Okay, then I was actually an IT professional. I was an IT consultant. So during my time, I got a chance to work on some of the projects in agriculture. That's what I realized that it's an opportunity. It's a huge opportunity which I realized. So and another one of the other challenges which I was to be seeing here is in Kerala there are a lot of farmers is they are crying every year because the farmers actually they're not making margin. They're suicide. So many people are getting suicide. So those challenges also I'm seeing in the newspapers, which actually forcefully which tends to my mind to study about the challenges and agriculture and to come back and support them with the technology, with whatever the technology which I studied about in agriculture. And I studied about all other the countries which is like Israel or other Netherlands or any other major companies who have been producing agriculture, the leaders in the agriculture. They use all technologies in agriculture. So why don't we use it? Why we can also use the same type of technologies to improve our farmer income efficiencies and all. That was the thought. Actually, it triggers me back here. Yeah, personally, we have a very good team actually. In fact, I previously mentioned this one. So personally, I have 25 years experience, and other my colleagues and directors who also have more than 25 years experience in this industry. Thank you.
Okay. So, last question about the government support. What support from government or private investors is essential to scale smart agriculture initiatives across India?
Yeah. So without government supports, it's very difficult for us to, field make it in the field level. Okay. So the field level, people always like farmers always depends the government systems. They trust actually more government systems. So we need a more system, more government supports, or more local government supports to supporting the farmers. Or adopting the technology, so which we can actually offer them like a grant or support system for them. See this all we have to do it so much of things. It's like a joint together. I mean, it's like a joint hands together to transforming this agriculture, because technology transformation in agriculture is quite not an easy work. It's quite difficult or quite challenging work for in reality. So with all the support of government institutions, I would suggest all the government, local government and state government and central government together will put on hands together and pushing with the institutions like Radtar, and we can actually within another 5 to 10 years time we can actually uh, transform very good ways to agriculture efficiently to competitive with the market, international market. So we have to develop those kind of technologies. We need a lot of supports from other different schemes and supports from the government.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Joyce. So I don't see any more questions. So now we have come to end of question round. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, we'd like to thank you for the very detailed presentation and answering all the questions in depth. So we'll be ending this meeting now. Have a good evening.
Yeah, madam. Madam, one question.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes, yes.
So if before you are posting this one, can I able to see that the video?
Just 1 second.